Raisin water, a simple infusion made by soaking raisins in water, has gained popularity in recent years for its purported health benefits. This age-old remedy is not just a flavorful drink, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can positively impact health. This article explores the various medical benefits of raisin water, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile of raisins. Raisins are dried grapes that retain a significant amount of their nutrients even after drying. They are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Raisins contain vitamins, especially B vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6 that are crucial for energy metabolism. Minerals, including potassium, iron, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for various bodily functions. Antioxidants, such as phenols and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress. When soaked in water, the nutritional components of raisins are released into the water, making it a beneficial drink. Hydration and detoxification. One of the primary benefits of raisin water is its ability to hydrate and detoxify the body. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition emphasizes the importance of hydration for overall health. Drinking raisin water can contribute to daily fluid intake, and the antioxidants present may help in flushing out toxins from the body. This detoxification process can lead to improved liver health and enhanced kidney function. Digestive health. Raisin water can significantly improve digestive health. Raisins are a natural source of dietary fiber, which plays a key role in maintaining gut health. Soaking raisins allows some of the fiber to infuse into the water, making it easier to consume. Research in the American Journal of Gastroenterology suggests that dietary fiber is crucial for preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. The natural sugars in raisins, such as fructose and glucose, can also provide a quick source of energy, making raisin water an excellent choice for post-exercise hydration. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing free radicals in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases. Raisin water is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that raisins have a high antioxidant capacity, which can contribute to overall health and may lower the risk of developing diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Heart health. The potassium content in raisin water is beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular function. According to the American Heart Association, adequate potassium intake is associated with a reduced risk of hypertension. Additionally, studies show that the antioxidants in raisins can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, further promoting heart health. Conclusion. Raisin water is more than just a refreshing drink. It is a nutrient-rich beverage that offers numerous health benefits, from aiding digestion and detoxification to promoting heart health and providing antioxidants. The scientific evidence supporting the benefits of raisin water is compelling. Incorporating raisin water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance overall health. Whether consumed in the morning or as a refreshing drink throughout the day, raisin water is a tasty and beneficial addition to your diet. Remember to soak organic raisins to maximize the health benefits, and ensure you are consuming a product free from harmful additives.